Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 8. Our topic for today is about rotating shapes clockwise and counterclockwise. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Draw the image of an object after applying rotation about a point given an angle of rotation clockwise or counterclockwise. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Complete the pictures below by drawing the other half. Lesson purpose. Here is another example of reflection. Here's the image, and this is the reflected image. Reflection is the same as rotating the object by 180 degrees. Unlocking content vocabulary. Clockwise rotation. Turns the figure clockwise or counterclockwise but doesn't change the figure anyhow. Rotation is turning an object from left to right. Turning counterclockwise is turning an object from right to left. Day 2. Draw the image of an object after applying rotation about a point given an angle of rotation clockwise or counterclockwise. Day 2. Rotations are also known as turns. The image can be turned 900, quarter, 1,800 half turn, and 2,700. These are the common rotation angles. These turns can be done clockwise or counterclockwise. Direction of rotation. Clockwise involves a turn to the right as it follows the hands of a clock. Counterclockwise involves a turn to the left against the direction of a clock's hands. Illustrating clockwise rotation. This is the image after a 90-degree rotation. This is the image after a 180-degree rotation. This is the image after a 270-degree rotation. And this is the image after a 360-degree rotation. We get the same image. Illustrating counterclockwise rotation. Now, this is the image after a 90-degree rotation. This is the image after a 180-degree rotation. This is the image after a 270-degree rotation. And this is the image after a 360-degree rotation. We get the same image. Worked problem. Activity number 1, clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. Draw the figure given the indicated condition. Example 1. Turn the shape 90 degrees, quarter turn clockwise. Draw the figure. Answer. Example 2. Turn the shape 90 degrees, counterclockwise. Draw the figure. Answer. Example 3. Turn the shape 90 degrees, quarter turn, counterclockwise. Draw the figure. Answer. Example 4. Turn the shape 90 degrees, clockwise. Draw the figure. Answer. Example 5. Turn the shape 90 degrees, counterclockwise. Draw the figure. Answer. Day 3. Lesson activity number 2. Multiple turns, clockwise and counterclockwise. Draw the next figure in the given box. Turn the shape 90 degrees clockwise, then a 180 degrees counterclockwise, then a 90 degrees clockwise. 2. Rotate the object 180 degrees counterclockwise, then 90 degrees clockwise, then 270 degrees clockwise. 3. Turn the shape 90 degrees clockwise, then 180 degrees clockwise, then 180 degrees counterclockwise. 4. Rotate the shape 180 degrees clockwise, then a 90 degrees counterclockwise, then a 90 degree counterclockwise. 5. Rotate the shape 180 degrees counterclockwise, then a 270 degrees counterclockwise, then 90 degrees clockwise. Learners' takeaways. What did I learn? Rotations are also known as turns. A rotation takes an image and moves it to a new position by turning it. What did I learn? The image can be turned 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. This turn can be done clockwise or counterclockwise. Reflection on learning. How can we connect this lesson to our everyday lives? Answer. We can connect this lesson to our everyday lives because we see rotations when we open doors, turn a clock's hands, or spin a wheel. Cite instances where knowledge of rotation about a given point is useful in practical context. Answer. Knowledge of rotation about a given point is useful when reading maps, driving and turning the steering wheel, using tools like a screwdriver, and arranging furniture properly. Formative assessment. Draw the next object following the given condition. 1. Rotate the object 270 degrees clockwise. Answer. 2. Rotate the object 180 degrees counterclockwise. Answer. 3. Rotate the object 360 degrees counterclockwise. Answer. 4. Rotate the object 270 degrees counterclockwise. Answer. 5. Rotate the object 90 degrees counterclockwise. Answer. B. Complete the given table. 1. Clockwise. Answer. 2. Clockwise. Three. Counterclockwise. Answer. 4. Counterclockwise. Answer. 5. Clockwise. Answer. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!